Hello everyone, let's talk about importance of Izod and Charpy testing in recycled plastic products. Recycled plastic is the future, sustainable, cost-effective and eco-friendly. But is it always strong enough for real-world use? That's where Izod and Charpy impact testing step in. Recycled plastic can vary in quality based on source, contamination, and processing. This affects its toughness and durability. That's why testing its impact resistance is critical. Izod and Charpy test strike a nose sample of plastic to see how much energy it can absorb before breaking. This helps manufacturers know whether their recycled plastic is brittle or tough enough. Unlike virgin plastic, recycled plastic may lose structural strength over time. Impact testing reveals hidden weaknesses, so weak batches can be rejected before going into final products. Whether it's bottles, automotive trims, or packaging, using cycled plastic without testing can lead to cracks, customer complaints, or even product recalls. Ensure the reliability of your recycled plastic with Izod and Charpy impact testing. For more information, visit Pacorr.com and you can call us 888 2149230.